Guys, welcome to part 3 of the video where we do this part. I'm going to be quiet now because you guys love this stuff. Was that satisfying? I probably think so. Anyway, there is a QR code here that you guys can take a look at. And look at that autofocus. It's great. It's great. Once you slip that out, you got yourself a very cool system here that plugs into this other device, and I'll show you that in a second. You can plug it back here in this sort of charging unit. Very strange, very unique. It's only DJI that does this. So with that said, guys, you got to plug it in here as such in the correct direction, and then it plugs into your wall socket, and you can charge this baby real fast, I guess. We'll have to see. The other one that is for the DJI FPV unit, the Potato Jet, is very good.